Wangkem Rabi, co-convener of the Apex Committee body of 5 victim villages, has traced the delay in government allocation of funds to victims affected by the ongoing violence that erupted on May 3rd, despite the return of Leitanpokpi residents to their homes. In an exclusive interview with SKTV News, Rabi pointed out that the promised amounts for house reconstruction are insufficient, with 5 lakh rupees for kacha houses, 7 lakh rupees for semi-paka houses and 10 lakh rupees for paka houses. Victims have urged authorities to reconsider, but no response has been received. He further emphasized that while some families began rebuilding with the first installment, they were unable to complete the reconstruction due to lack of subsequent installments. Additionally, many families remain in relief camps due to the non-receipt of allocated funds, and some have started rebuilding with their savings. He urged the government for timely intervention to address the issue promptly.
Relief camp relief camp na asona khara thamaga ariba tang tarite gi changjalaga ngasibok afamjida maleba amadi Leitanpokpi ngak sendana ngasibok leijari aduga hariba silebak tolji aigi pocket pesa puthoga khara hana tawda leijaba degi imanaba jingna karigina murma pangla tawga thonbani aduga saka gi site gi phangbai je sakan di piri di am haikre dubu ngasibok Leitanpokpi da leba Leitanpokpi temporary shelter home da di kaigumba amada phangdri adu hariba sakana lepa yum sabagi amount hoi kunjida di khara lawrai Leitanpokpi di khara di phangnare lawnare tawdubu hariba sakan lepiba achada manga daga simi paka da tare paka da na tara ha poche matam ga chuna daba oiba laktere na yuma di kamai sagani lang manga na tisina khoi gi nongmadal pa cham sabje moina adugi pesa je phajalaga malli gi oina sem chap value di chap manaba pesa de cham 85 ni sakan bi 85 se tam ohmok thok bi ba kan di policing hom yogo da pa chami yang khewale chami ga jap chalaga thamagi angang boring lebi gi ne na amena kapire.
Meanwhile, Pangabam Yaifaba, a daily wage earner, highlighted the dire conditions facing by the villagers who are unable to work and earn money due to the village proximity due to the hills of Kangpokpi district. Speaking to SKTV News, he emphasized that before the conflict, villagers used to sell firewood to sustain their families with the mere profits. However, following the outbreak of violence, they have been unable to sustain their business, and there are no alternative means for them to earn a livelihood. In light of this, he appealed to the authorities to initiate schemes aimed at providing jobs for the victims who have returned to their homes.
Ekwegi wariba dege juji ekwei tawribache laikai deba karmarma ekwei satabsu yade dege mathakta ekwei senthok lambi leite miyam ju tinaninge tinabagi kanosi jo ekwei je sen thonggi phimji yam wana leire tanbam ju leite satpham ju leite dege ekwei lengak ta ekwei na hajeningi je ekwei ge chakriba kano jingje property mayam chai bachi kitang ekwei ba hanjan biraga di pibiraga di ekwei je kitang ekwei ge hingna bai lambi sita kitang sima tahoninge te ekwei ge hingna na bai lambi sita karim leitre pai leitre adum chara khara leire ji ekwei accident ho pai leitre